опасности. Держитесь за поручни.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another episode of Engineering Travel. This is a new day. I am at bus stop right now in place called as Celerio. So I took metro from my hostel Netizen. So I changed green to red and line number 1 I got on Celerio. It took around 1 hour in the metro. You just need to pay 60 ruble ticket. You just need to get 60 ruble ticket. Wherever metro you want, you can go. How far you want, you can go. If you want to get down next stop also, you can hop down in next stop also, no issues. It took 1 hour. Morning there was bus from here to Voronezh, but I missed it. Now bus is at 13:15. So I took the ticket. It's 850 rubles guys. So if you are going by train, it will be 1500 or 2000 rubles depending upon the class which you choose. So I'm a budget traveler. I need to save a lot of money guys. As you know, I'm going to travel all along a year. So not only just Russia, I'm traveling to crossing over land border into Georgia, Armenia, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Iran and Turkey, and also I'm traveling to the Balkan countries like Moldova, Montenegro, Bosnia Herzegovina, Kosovo, Serbia, Ukraine, those countries and all, whichever possible. I'll be entering all the countries. Even if Schengen visa is available, even I'll enter the Schengen areas. And apart from this, I'll be traveling to US, Central America and South America. So it's a year-long trip. Do subscribe. I'll be sharing a lot of information in these videos. All these videos I'm going to put everyday new videos guys, with a lot of information, tons of information. So if I miss one day also, next day you'll be having the video for sure. And so do subscribe, like, share with your family and friends. Always be with me. This is Sujit. So you can see this is the place, how it is. It is the bus station. I just bought a ticket from there, and now I'm sitting here since I need to wait for another 2.5 hours. So I need to go via that place to the bus platform guys. Do subscribe to Engineering Travel. Guys, I am at the station. So if you are coming early, don't worry if you have luggage. So you have place. This is the place where we can keep the luggage, and this is vending machine. This is the phone you can charge from here, and this is toilet, and this is the place where you go outside to the platform. Not outside, not to the outside, but to the platform. If you're coming early, you can sit here, you can spend time, you can keep the luggage there. It takes around 100 rubles per one luggage for up to 23 hours. I don't know why it is 23 hours, but it is like that. It is up to 23 hours guys. So you can keep the luggage, issue at all. Okay, so that's it guys. So any tips, any more tips, I'll just keep sharing for you guys. So backside you have cafe also, you can come and you can enjoy, but I think it is a bit costlier. You can buy anything from outside. It will be cheaper when compared to here. Okay, so I came to platform now. I just showed the ticket and passport to the security over there, and I entered into the platform. This is how the platform looks like each platform has got a number. So mine is at 5, Voronezh. So and this is all it is. And you have bus for Kyiv also in Ukraine. So it is an international bus station, so they check everything. If you don't have visa for Ukraine, you cannot board the bus. So I'm not going to Ukraine, I am staying in Russia only. I'm going to Voronezh. From Voronezh I'll go to further down to one more city, which I'll mention you later in the videos guys. So this is how it is. You guys have seen the bus stop. Like anything you guys, if I left out anything, you guys have any doubts regarding this, how to board the bus, how to come here, just let me know in the comment section guys. I am there to help you always. So be happy. Let us see the world together guys. I'm inside the bus right now. Bus came and there were a lot of rush to get into the bus, so I couldn't vlog to show the bus outside. I'll try to show it once the bus stops somewhere. We are just leaving the bus stand. That was the bus stand, and I'm inside the bus. You can see this is the bus inside. This is how it is. So you can there is a baggage compartment below. You need to keep your baggage down after putting the tag. So once you put the tag, you can keep down, and you have to show the ticket and you can get it. And there is ticket seat number to every ticket. So mine is 15, so I'm sitting in the 15 seat. So this is how it is, and nobody is there beside me. So I'll show you the views, guys, as as the bus move forward. It takes 7 hours to reach Voronezh. So we'll see how it goes. It's around 530 kilometers, but I think he should be cruising at 100 kilometers per hour. I think between somewhere he'll stop also. I don't know what time he's going to stop. He might stop. I'll show you all the details, guys. All the views. Keep watching the views. I should be sharing a lot of information regarding this also. I was feeling very bored in the bus. There was nothing to shoot, and unfortunately I was in the middle of the bus. So it was around 3 hours into the journey. Finally they stopped somewhere. I could buy one Mirinda, and this is our bus. You can see this is our bus. There's nothing to do. There is only one coffee shop and one toilet. If you want, you can use that. I don't know what the hell there is. So this is how it is. Many buses are standing here. It's a bus pit stop. Guys, I don't know what this is, but I brought it for 100 ruble. I think it's in Russian something else. I don't know. Let me see, unbox it in the bus, and let me see. If I unbox it here, the bus will reach Voronezh. It was a much needed stop, guys. You can see that there's a lot of buses. This is our bus. And this is our bus, guys. So you can see that. Guys, I don't know what this is. This over here. I know this box will be souvenir for me. I'll just eat and see what it is. I still don't know what it is. You can see that there's a strawberry jam inside, but I don't know. It's biscuit, it's cake, no idea. Cookies, whatever name you can give. Or else I need to ask any Russian. Nobody knows English here. Hi guys, so I reached Voronezh right now. I'm in Voronezh couchsurfing house. This is the house. This is the room. How it looks like. I think you guys seen it. This is my luggage. I sleep over here. It was good. and yeah, this is my working table. So it's very good. He is very good guy. He went to work. So he fed me with morning with the dumplings and cake and coffee and all. So it was very good. Afternoon he is not there. I'm just staying in the room home and finishing all the editing works and those things and all, and charging all my gadgets. And tomorrow I'm leaving to another city, guys. I'll hitchhike or I'll travel. I will go by bus. I don't know. Not yet decided. Even the stay there also, it's not yet decided. So we'll see what happens. So I think this video you got some information about how to travel in bus and all. So unfortunately, I couldn't take the infrastructure, the road views and all, videos and all. Hope you like the video. So I'll be putting the daily videos. As you know, I'll be traveling to Armenia, Georgia, Iran, Turkey, and African countries, Balkan countries, and USA, South America. So all these videos I'll be putting daily blogs. So in case if I miss one day, also I'll be putting next day. For sure, there'll be a vlog. Okay, guys. So I hope you guys have liked this video. If you like, share, comment, whatever you want to do. Let's travel together, guys. So let's see the world together. Okay, thank you, guys.